I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Supradyn Multivitamin tablet. Supradyn is a comprehensive supplement, packed with essential vitamins and minerals to support your overall health. To begin, simply take one tablet each day. It is best to consume it after a meal, such as breakfast or lunch, to aid absorption and minimize stomach upset. Remember to swallow the tablet whole with a full glass of water. For optimal benefits, the recommended dosage is one Supradyn tablet daily. Taking your multivitamin with a meal, especially a substantial one like breakfast, can significantly improve how your body absorbs the nutrients. This also helps prevent any potential stomach discomfort. Consistency is truly important. Try to take it around the same time each day to establish a routine and ensure continuous nutritional support. Supradyn offers several benefits, including boosting your energy levels, strengthening your immune system, and supporting overall vitality. It is designed to fill nutritional gaps that might arise from an unbalanced diet. While generally safe, it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. Proper storage ensures your Supradyn tablets remain effective. Always keep them in their original container in a cool, dry place, ideally below 25 degrees Celsius. Protect them from direct sunlight and moisture to maintain their potency. Remember, it is crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dose of one tablet. If you experience any unusual side effects, discontinue use and consult your doctor promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.